Hi, my name is Seti and welcome back to the channel where we make educational technology easy for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add timers and current time to any Google Slides presentation. So let's dive into it with another flipped classroom tutorial. Now, this one comes straight from Twitter. Now, one thing I'm often asked about is how do you use timers in Google Slides without having to embed a video? Or how do you display the current time without leaving your Google Slides? Well, today we have an extension to do that. And the extension comes from claycodes.org. Now, claycodes.org is a website created by Clay Smith, and you can find him on Twitter. I'll leave a link in that description below. But what he's done is he's written an extension, a Chrome extension, that is going to allow us to now embed the current time, a countdown timer, and even a timer that counts up. So we've got 3 special ways of displaying time. Now, the way you do this is by, first of all, creating a slideshow. Now, once you have your slideshow, there are 3 types of tags that you're going to be using. We have the time tag, and as you can see, I have that time tag here. We have the timer up and timer down tags. Now, this is where you can decide exactly how much time you want to see pass by. So here I have a countdown from 5 minutes, and then here I have a count up, which is also going to start at 5 minutes. Now, when I press present right now, absolutely nothing will happen. As you can see here, nothing happens, and those tags are just interpreted as simple text. Now, the extension Clay's written is going to take those tags and is going to turn it into live timers. So let's go ahead and find the extension and install it. Now that that extension has been installed, you can see it's up there in the top right corner. We're going to go back to that exact same presentation. You can see I have my 3 tags here. I have the time tag, count down, and count up. Now, when I press present, in the background, the extension is going to recognize those tags. And there you go. We now have our current time and our 2 timers. We can display this in different fonts, different font sizes, colors, and even make them bold, italics, or whatever you want it to be. Now, there are currently still a couple of limitations. We can't break up the lines and things like that, but that's absolutely no problem. If you want to make your slides look pretty, well, just simply use multiple text boxes and move those around your slide. Now, I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to scroll down to the description below, find all those links, and then scroll further to go to the comment section. And in that comment section, let me know how are you going to use timers and why do you want to display the current time on your slideshows while presenting in class. I would love to hear your feedback. And as we're talking about feedback, Clay Smith has also added a feedback form on his website, and he's asking everyone, every single one of you, to let him know how he can make this extension even better. So he's trying to get as much feedback as possible, and I would love to hear about it in the comment section below. Now, on your way back up, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you are notified of new videos, and I will see you all in the next video next week. Thank you for watching.